WellCare Today's HealthAssist technology and Samsung standalone watches improve star ratings and creates huge savings for managed care organizations. In one example with a major Medicare Advantage program, HealthAssist showed it can save Medicare Advantage plans $12.5 million for a population of diabetics with cardiovascular disease. Here's how WellCare Today's HealthAssist makes it possible. HealthAssist transforms the Samsung watch into a standalone wearable providing on-the-wrist medication reminders. The watch chirps, vibrates, and displays the reminder, which improves medication adherence rates. A Pharmacy Quality Alliance study found that patients with an 80% or more adherence rate saved an average of $14,177 per year per patient. In a recent program with a major Medicare Advantage program, HealthAssist moved 11% of patients from 67% adherence to 90% adherence. Let's do the math. Moving 1,100 patients to adherence with an average savings of $14,177 per patient provides a total savings of $16.3 million. Since the entire HealthAssist program cost $3.8 million, that's a net savings of $12.5 million per year. And there's more. HealthAssist passively monitors heart rate, blood oxygen, temperature, steps, and sleep. If any readings are out of the safe zone, HealthAssist sends alerts to caregivers and case managers as early warnings. Annie, the HealthAssist AI nurse, will engage patients to review vital readings and send a transcript of the call to family caregivers. HealthAssist also replaces medical alert pendants, one-press emergency calls, fall detection, and GPS, without the stigma. Finally, HealthAssist is integrated with remote patient monitoring, so physicians are reimbursed by Medicare, triggering CPT code 99454 to reduce the cost of the program. Let's see. Improved star ratings, reduced cost, replaced medical alert pendants, member engagement with Annie, our AI nurse, and remote patient monitoring. Call us at 800-635-2720 or check our website at wellcaretoday.com.